Heavy rain flooded the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway's long bridge in Warewa, Ogun State, causing traffic gridlock and affecting nearby homes and businesses. The situation is ongoing as of Friday, June 7, 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Lagos. We have news about a catastrophic event affecting one of Nigeria's biggest highways. The Lagos-Ibadan Expressway has been hit by severe flooding, causing major disruption and chaos. Let's dive into the details. Earlier on Thursday, a heavy downpour led to massive flooding on the long bridge at Warewa, Ogun State. This section of the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway has been rendered nearly impassable. As you can see, the floodwaters have taken over the road, creating a nightmare for commuters. The flooding began around 2 p.m. and showed no signs of stopping, and as of 8 p.m., the rain continued to pour, leaving vehicles stranded and drivers frustrated. The gridlock caused significant discomfort, with some commuters spending hours on the road. The impact of a flooding extends beyond the highway. Nearby residents are also suffering, with many homes and businesses submerged in water. The situation is dire, and the community is calling for urgent assistance. It's been a nightmare, said a resident. The water level keeps rising, and we've had to move our belongings to higher ground. We need help urgently. This flooding event highlights the urgent need for improved drainage systems and flood management in the area. The authorities are being called upon to take swift action to alleviate the suffering of both commuters and residents. Emergency responders and government officials were on the scene, assessing the damage and providing assistance. Community members came together, showing incredible resilience in the face of this disaster. We will keep you updated on this developing story. If you're traveling on the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, please exercise caution and stay safe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this, please like, share and subscribe so you can get notifications.